trying to figure out how to even go about this video, right? Plain and simple, you guys see the title. There's these cook groups, you know, back in the day. I say back in the day like I'm 40 or something. I'm 27, bro. I need to relax here. Not too long ago, you know, I made a video that went viral about me being in college, how I afforded sneakers, and what you needed to do was network, right? You needed to go to these stores and buy, become that friendly face, and eventually, you know, that kind of just build networking. Once someone sees you around so many times, they start to remember your name, they start to remember your size, they ask you what you do. You know, it just kind of all goes hand in hand. I feel like that's how all relationships have gone for me. You know, I just kept on popping up at the same places to the point where people were like, oh, that's Mike, oh, size 12, oh, I got you, bro, don't even worry about it. It really goes like that. And now I really feel like over the pandemic was the rise of these sneaker groups. It was the honestly evolution of networking, but online. And that's kind of what I'm here to talk about. You know, I was initially going to do kind of like an unboxing, showing blah, blah, blah. This video is sponsored, right? It's sponsored by Secret Sauce. I'm gonna tell you guys straight up, and I'm sure that probably makes you think like, oh, well, now he's definitely going to say nice things, but I don't feel like I'm required to say nice things. Like, clearly, if this video goes up, they were okay with it. So we're kind of leaving it at that. Yeah, these cook groups are essentially just networking, and I never understood how it worked. So basically you pay a fee. For Secret Sauce, you pay $60 to get in this group that gives you access to buying sneakers. And I understand a lot of people will think that's stupid. Like, why would I pay money to basically get free information? Really? I mean, if you wanted to truly dig deep on the internet, follow Twitter, I'm sure you could get the same information for free. Now, there's obviously things like group buys where you have access to buy-in wholesale bots that you can sign up for and get auto checkout. You know, there's just so many tools that these people invest a lot of money in building these groups. It's interesting. It's truly interesting to me. Just coming from my background in sneakers, it's so fascinating to me, and more so because I've been into this crypto NFT world. You know, after that, I think I really started to understand like what Discord is and the true meaning of a community. That's exactly what this group is. That's what Secret Sauce is. That's what really any cook group is. And you know, there's always going to be this one saying they're better than this one, and I'm just going to go off of true experience, what I've experienced with Secret Sauce. You guys know I've been with a lot of cook groups, straight up. And to be frank, I mean, they are all the same. It just comes down to who is in that group. The people kind of make it. Secret Sauce has been good to me in the aspect of I can't always keep up on all these releases. Sometimes I forget, so I have notifications turned on. So I'll get notified like, oh, this shoe is dropping. And I'm like, oh, shoot. Well, this is like an early link. Click, click, click. Boom. I ended up getting these. This was my, I wouldn't say my most recent pickup, but these New Balance, man. I've been waiting to get my hands on a pair of these because they go crazy. Ended up getting the red pair. I actually wanted the green pair, but you know, these are bussin'. These are cool. So that's what I've gotten. I'm gonna show you what else I picked up through Secret Sauce. Spending my own money, just being a normal person in the group, like notifications that I've actually paid attention to. So I got these. And then I ended up getting these social status dunks I didn't even know they were releasing. And again, notifications came in clutch. This is a fire collab. Like, bro, look at the box contents. Like, this is so dope to me. This is one of the reasons why dunks are coming back so strong, because they're just executing these collabs like crazy. This is one thing Jordan Brand needs to get better at. Like, look at these. Now, they're not for everyone, right? But it's just more of the premise of, it's pretty dope, the materials on this bad boy. Like, what? Yeah, those are the two things that I've picked up from this group. And honestly, my opinion about cook groups, about Secret Sauce, why you should sign up, if you should sign up, I personally think these groups are for two people. Number one, people with disposable income. This is $60, right? So having disposable income, you can risk paying $60 and potentially not getting anything out of it. You're gonna get something out of it, but I'm just saying, you need to be willing. It's like getting a gym membership and never going to the gym and being okay with that fact. Number two is for people who are trying to resell shoes. I think these groups are perfect. Secret Sauce is perfect for that. Paying $60, you're gonna really invest yourself and dive deep into that community and become known, really use all those resources. You're gonna make your $60 plus a lot more back, in my opinion. If I decided like, okay, I really want to execute this and just focus a month on this group, I could probably buy a lot of shoes and resell them and make some good money. I don't really like reselling like that, but shoot, it's the holidays, bro. Need to make some money, you know, it's like TikTok. I know for a fact for the month of September, they helped over 50,000 people check out, bro. 50,000. Really think about that. 50,000 people checked out sneakers for retail. Yeah, they paid $60 to be in the group. You pay it monthly. Let's say you're copping your holy grails and not missing out. For an additional $60, you know, let's say you get 4, 5, 6 shoes a month. That could be $10 on $20 on top of the shoe that you got for retail. So I do think it's a good investment. I also think you need to do your own research. You can't just trust my word for it. I'm getting paid to do this video. I'm telling you straight up. But I think as I get older, I realize the value of these things, whether it's memberships or small communities that you pay into for pretty much alpha information. And by alpha, I just mean knowledge that you're not gonna get anywhere else. You're dealing with people that do this, like really do this, you know what I'm saying? And it doesn't just stop at sneakers, you know, they're focused on apparel, they're focusing on crypto, which I think is super fire. There's just so many ways to diversify your money flow, guys. If you really want to get in this whole sneaker reselling, apparel reselling, or just even getting this stuff for yourself, I think these groups are great. And I don't personally find any problem with reselling, you know? It's honestly just a part of the game. And for me, I sell stuff from here and there, you know, it pays for my pair. I'll never be mad at that. Yeah, I do get mad when shoes sell out and I take an L just like everyone else. And I get mad that I got to pay 100, 150 over retail. It's stupid. I think it's so stupid. But at the same time, I do the same thing. So supply and demand, you know, it's no different than stocks. I honestly just wanted to make this video for you guys out there that keep asking me like, yo, Mike, where are the plugs? How do I get sneakers for retail? What do I need to do? And personally, I think the future is this. It's getting in these groups, and you know, you could even get in this group, learn everything it is that you want to learn. You just pay for some knowledge, bro. There's nothing wrong with that. I still to this day buy all these different courses, and you know, I've talked to you guys about Skillshare, Masterclass. Like, I always pay for knowledge because it just gives you a shortcut to getting to where you want to get. I mean, there's free game out there. You can look, you can take the time to do it. I'm telling you guys, it goes either or. But I'm also approving this from the aspect of it's a good look. Like, I think it can help a lot of you guys out. I think I almost want to challenge myself to like really submerge myself in the group and take full advantage of all the resources and tools that are in Secret Sauce. And I almost want to do like a challenge, like a month or 2 challenge of I spent this much or I had this much success. I don't know, like let's say I got $1,000. I use it for the group and kind of show like what sneakers I was able to cop, how much money I made from it. That's a fire idea, huh? I should definitely do that. What do y'all think, man? Let me know down below in the comments. Should I do a video like that? But really, guys, it just comes down to doing your own research. Make sure to check out their socials. I'd love to know what you guys would do with access to this group. But there you guys have it, man. That is pretty much all I have for today. I just wanted to sit and talk to you guys about what these cook groups are and, you know, if they are worth it or any type of value in them. If you guys want to get the full guide on, you know, how to resell, just kind of the simple tips, you can check out this video right here. But this is your boy Sneaker Life, man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it.